With each email you send, you're likely to have some contacts that didn't open it. The easiest solution to this is to just resend your email to the contacts that didn't open it the first time. In this short video, we'll show you how it's done. When you're finished creating your email, just click to schedule it as usual. Select your list, choose when to send, and then click the checkbox that reads Resend to non-openers. Then, choose how many days after your original send to resend the email. A majority of people who are going to open your email will open it by day 3. Make sure you change your subject line to something different than the first time you sent this message. Then click Confirm. Your campaign will automatically resend on the timeline you chose to any recipients who haven't already opened it. Need to make changes to your subject line or resend timeline? Just click Manage Settings. Need to resend an email to contacts who didn't open it the first time, but you already sent your email? No worries. If your email was sent in the last 7 days, from the Campaigns tab, just click More and then select Resend to non-openers. And that's how easy it is to resend your email to any contacts who didn't open it the first time with Constant Contact.